This is a very large, I don't know if we call this an air conditioner or what. I don't know what it is exactly, but it's really large. I saw it from the street. You can see the compressors. Alright, I just wanted to zoom in. You can see the compressors. I don't know what brand is or what. Oh, it's got the brand over there, but I can't see. Anyways, other than that, I don't know what it is. Here's a better look at it right here. As you can see, it's kind of funky looking on the top. And you can see the compressors. It's got 4 compressors in it. Or no, it just got 2. Never mind. That's just the back of it. Oh, you can see the brand over there. Let's see. Alright, let's see. Dang, I can't see. Anyways. This has been a 2014 Andrew B. Dish production.